Do you catch yourself stuck in your thoughts, spiraling with stress? You're not alone. Tip 1. Ground yourself with the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. This mindfulness trick pulls you out of your head and back into the present moment. Look around and identify 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. Tip 2. Write it down. Journaling helps declutter your mind. Don't censor yourself, just write freely. Dump your thoughts onto paper to calm your mind. Tip 3. Move your body. Exercise releases endorphins and breaks the cycle of overthinking. Just 10 minutes of yoga, walking, or light stretching can make a big difference. Tip 4. Set a worry timer. Give yourself 10 minutes a day to think through your worries, then stop. Worry with limits equals less stress. Tip 5. Replace what ifs with what is. Focus on facts, not fears. Stay anchored in reality. Instead of what if I fail, think I prepared the best I could. Bonus. Talk to someone. A quick chat with a friend, coach, or therapist can bring instant clarity. You don't have to go through it alone. Overthinking doesn't define you. How you respond to it does. Try one of these tips today and notice the shift. Like, subscribe, and comment. Which tip will you try first?